The XRP price prediction is a hot topic. It goes back and forth between a possible bullish run and a possible crash. The current legal drama between Ripple and the SEC has a lot to do with this. Ripple has been in a lawsuit with the SEC since December 2020. The SEC says that Ripple is selling securities without being registered. This case has cast a long shadow over the price of XRP and its chances for the future. The court said in July 2023 that secondary sales of XRP do not count as stocks, which was partly good news for Ripple. It's possible that direct sales to institutional investors will still be seen as such, but this complicated result leaves room for more legal problems and uncertainty. The SEC is not happy with the July decision and has hinted that they might file an appeal. A move like this could make XRP even more volatile, which would cause the price to change as the market responds to each new event. At the moment, XRP is trading around 50 cents, which shows that buyers are cautiously optimistic. Even though Ripple could face a big fine of up to $2 billion if they are found guilty of breaking stock laws directly, prices have stayed stable. The ongoing legal conflict has been an absolute roller coaster for people who own XRP. Tweets from well-known crypto people like 2-Bit Crypto show what the community worries about and hopes for every day. Today is another day of hope for an XRP settlement or pump. Brad Garlinghouse will soon tell us the good news. He did it. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, is still a positive person. He wants a spot XRP ETF and thinks it will happen eventually, even though there are problems with the regulations right now. This feeling is shared by many people in the cryptocurrency community. They are looking forward to Ethereum ETFs being accepted on stock markets, which could make it easier for other cryptocurrencies like XRP to do the same. Even though there have been court battles, Ripple has not been idle. Ripple has shown strategic insight by starting the XRP Ledger Japan and Korea Fund. This fund is meant to encourage innovation on the XRP with a focus on Japan and Korea. This is part of Ripple's larger plan to give 1 billion XRP to help developers, business partnerships, startup investments, and the growth of the community. The fact that Asia Pacific was chosen says a lot. Some countries like Japan and Korea are at the head of blockchain innovation in this area. Ripple's strategic shift is shown even more by its ties in Asia. Collaborations with Tokyo-based Hashkidex for XRP Ledger-powered supply chain finance solutions and the creation of SBI Ripple Asia with SBI shares show that Ripple is serious about making its payment services better in Japan. Garlinghouse has called out the big difference between the tough regulatory environment in the US and the friendlier environment in the Asia-Pacific region. This could be why Ripple is focusing more on this area of the world. Of course, crypto experts couldn't miss a show like that. We all know that when the trial started, almost all of Ripple's partners turned away. But as we can see, Ripple is taking over Asia, which is a huge sign that prices will go up. For what reason do experts believe that XRP Ripple token is worth that much? Do you think there will be growth soon? Let's figure it out. That's crazy. So there is a lot of excitement on social media. Edo Farina wrote on Twitter, XRP holders right now, I'm getting more, getting across the feeling of many people who see this as a chance to buy. Brett Hill said the same thing, XRP fake dump right before the huge surge, showing that recent drops are just a warm-up for big gains. In the meantime, Jack the Rippler was sure that XRP would pump the hardest, which added to the bullish story. A lot of people are making more optimistic forecasts, including the XRP captain. Even in the worst case, XRP will reach at least $27. For a moment, let's think that the case between Ripple and CC will never end. Still, XRP could hit $27 and then Bitcoin would go on a bull run. And the break of the triangle pattern that lasted for several years in the Fibonacci. This positive view depends on more than just a good court case. It also depends on how the market is moving and what technical analysis shows. Crypto analyst Chad Stinggraber has made a very bold prediction, which adds to the choir of people who are optimistic. He thinks that XRP could hit $250 by 2025. This is in line with the general trend for cryptocurrency markets to rise, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Steingraber is optimistic about a number of things, including the possibility that an XRP exchange-traded fund will be approved. He says that such an ETF would make XRP much more useful and stable, which would lead to a lot of institutional investment. Steingraber also says that the current SEC lawsuit is keeping the price of XRP down for now. It's his opinion that a settlement could bring a lot of new money into the XRP ecosystem. Other experts agree with this point of view. Jack the Rippler thinks that XRP will go over $100 after the lawsuit, while Crypto Bull sees a huge 28% to 900% rise, with XRP possibly hitting $154. For people who are more cautious, expert Egrad Crypto gives a balanced but positive view. He thinks that XRP will first reach $7.50 going through huge price increases. In his most recent analysis, he lays out a likely path for XRP to take it will break through current support levels, make a slow move to $1.50, then go up to $7.50. Greg does warn, though, that a brief pullback could happen if a lot of people sell their stocks at this level and take their profits. To put it simply, XRP's future looks bright, thanks to the positive outlooks of several experienced experts and the company's planned growth in Asia, such as the possible approval of an XRP ETF. There are many things that could cause the price of XRP to reach new highs, such as the end of the SEC case or Ripple's proactive moves in key markets. Investors and fans of cryptocurrencies should stay alert as the situation develops, as the market is set to go through big changes in the next few years, and now is the time to finish. But things aren't always that easy. And whales couldn't miss this holiday, so they got to work. All of the holders are once again excited about what they did of the XRP Ripple. A huge sign that prices are going up is coming up. Let's figure it out. The old coin, whose value changes around 50 cents, has become popular with big buyers called whales, who have moved about 87 million XRP in the last 24 hours. This whale behavior has made people wonder how the price of XRP will last 24 hours. This whale behavior has made people wonder how the price of XRP will move in the future. The big whale moves in XRP could mean a change in strategy. With their large stocks, whales can have a big effect on how the market moves. By taking large amounts of XRP off of exchanges, these whales lower the supply that can be traded right away. This could lead to a scarcity effect that drives prices up. People often see this as a sign of trust in the long-term value of the object. In case you didn't know, whales can change the market because they have so much money in it. They can affect the price by buying a lot of XRP, which creates buying pressure. On the other hand, they can cause prices to drop by selling off big amounts. This planned buying and selling can cause waves of volatility, which can change the way smaller players act. They may buy or sell in response to these price changes, which makes the initial effect of the whale stronger. One whale's purchase of 30 million XRP, for example, could be seen as a bullish sign that makes other buyers want to buy, which drives up the price. Scare people, which can cause sell-offs and price drops. Seesawing can be an intentional way for whales to make the most money by buying low and selling high and using their huge market power to their advantage. But why do these changes make XRP look good? Even though prices are changing quickly and hitting important levels of resistance, the recent activity from whales is usually good for XRP. Most of the time, whales who move their assets off of platforms do so because they want to keep their investments for a long time. When there is less supply in circulation, there may be an imbalance between supply and demand. This can cause prices to rise in a rising market. Also, the large purchases made by key whale addresses show a strong trust in XRP's potential. Smaller buyers may feel more confident as a result, which makes the market feel better overall. The smart buying of XRP suggests that these big investors are getting ready for future price increases, betting that current legal challenges will be resolved in a good way and the market as a whole will recover. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Think XRP Ripple coin will go up in value? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. We'd be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Please click the like button if you liked the information and thought it was helpful. Not only do you need to subscribe, but also leave a comment with your ideas or thoughts.